Ever wondered about the world of faceless channels? Today, I'm unveiling a remarkable niche that stands as one of the easiest to dive into. I assure you, among all the faceless niches and categories I've shared, this one takes the cake. It's open for anyone to start right here, right now. And its audience? Not just in thousands or millions, but in tens of millions across the globe, spanning from India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, the United Kingdom, Australia, and Turkey, all the way to the United States. This niche is the easiest because you don't need to create original content. Just copy and paste. Surprised? Keep watching to see for yourself. It's called space science and astronomy, a hugely popular YouTube topic. To confirm, check out channels solely sharing long videos and shorts about space facts. They boast millions and thousands of subscribers with high view counts. More views mean more earnings, and these channels rake in decent monthly incomes as per Social Blade. It's not just about time, it's about money and popularity too, evident from the views these videos receive. Now, let's tackle the first step: finding copyright-free videos for space-related content. Are there websites offering royalty-free videos without YouTube copyright issues? So watch this full video of YouTube automation tutorial step by step. Don't skip any part of this video about making money online on YouTube with AI. Which channel category is most relevant and optimal for a space-focused YouTube channel? For a YouTube channel focused on space-related content, the best category to select would be Science and Technology. Within this category, you can specifically narrow it down to Space and Astronomy or Science Education to accurately represent the nature of your channel's content. How to make faceless YouTube videos with AI. Visit Google and search for NASA copyright-free video. The first site that pops up should be the official NASA site, which I'll link in the description below. It's a 100% copyright-free platform in the public domain, allowing you to access images, videos, and sounds for your content creation. On this site, you'll find a vast collection of space-related images and videos. Use the search bar to look up specific topics, like I typed in Mars, for example, and you'll see a multitude of results. Notice the filters on the sidebar for images, videos, and audio. Choose Video to find videos or select Image for images, depending on what you need for your content. Similarly, you can use the Year filter to sort videos by age, whether you prefer older or newer content. Adjust the time range as needed or arrange results in a grid for easier comparison. When you click on Download Video, several options like Small, Medium, Large, and Original will appear for you to choose from. By clicking on the Original tab, you can download the video. Now, to address copyright concerns, scroll down and click on the Usage Guidelines. This page outlines the copyright policy, emphasizing that the content falls within the public domain or is 100% copyright-free. You might want to read through it, especially if your videos are primarily educational. Usually, no commercial license or credit is necessary. Additionally, I've found information on YouTube's usage policies for most of these videos on Google. You can check the results for yourself. I received confirmation that this content is copyright-free and legitimate. You're free to use it in your videos without issues. For further verification, I'll search on Google for NASA videos are copyright-free on YouTube. This will provide guidance regarding the use of NASA videos. It's essential to read this information carefully. And if you ever find yourself unsure about a topic, you can always come back here and ask ChatGPT. Just type in your search prompt and I'll help you out. Explore 5 intriguing facts about Mars. And about the Moon. Give me an unknown interesting fact about the Moon. Kindly provide additional research on highly searchable topics. Please rephrase, which subject has high searchability? Transfer the given content and paste it on the Space's official site. Click Enter. access the video and proceed to download it. Copy the video description from here and paste it into Google Docs. Retrieve relevant information from ChatGPT and paste it into the document. We have the script prepared and now require voiceovers. Please attempt to record your voiceover, it's the preferred option. If not, you can visit 11 Labs. Sign up there after reaching the site. Here's the sequence for voiceover artists. Choose your preferred one. I'll make my selection afterward. After that, copy and paste your script and review it for any changes or spelling errors. If it's good to go, click Generate. Once generated, click on the Download option and save it to your computer. With our voiceovers and video ready, it's time to edit and put them together. I'll use CapCut for this. Click on CapCut and import both files. Start by dragging each file to the timeline one after the other. First, drag the video file. Listen carefully and cut out any unnecessary parts from the video. The best thing about these videos is that they usually don't require much editing. They're good as they are. However, if you need to remove any unnecessary sections, simply split the video and delete them. You can also adjust the speed of the audio to match your voiceover. No need to include extra effects or filters. The video is nearly done. One more thing. I won't mute the sound in this video. Instead, I'll mute the original audio. I'll use it as is and upload it directly to YouTube so you can see there are no copyright issues. I'll export and download it from here, then upload it on YouTube as it is. Sure, I'll provide an alternative method with our voiceover. I'll remove the original audio and place our audio on the timeline. After deleting any extra parts from the video, I'll align and adjust the audio to fit the video content. Then I'll import the background music I've previously downloaded and place it on the timeline. I'll lower the volume to around -24, which is standard for background music in voiceovers. The original audio will be deleted. Once these steps are completed, our video will be finalized. I'll proceed to the export option. I'll set the resolution to either 720 or 1080. 1080p stands for HD video. I'll follow these settings and click on Export. Creating a Faceless YouTube channel involves more than just video editing. It requires tasks like generating a brand name, designing channel graphics, optimizing for SEO with titles, descriptions, tags, and hashtags, and adhering to Google's upload settings and algorithms. Wondering how to create a Faceless YouTube channel using AI? For a detailed guide, check out my comprehensive instructions in the Lofi video linked in the description. If you enjoyed this copyright-free video on a Faceless channel, consider subscribing to Learnify AI. Hit the bell icon for timely notifications on new Faceless channel ideas for your computer or mobile. Now let's enjoy the final video together. I am playing now.
A major scientific discovery was announced by NASA at a September 28 news conference. From its vantage point, high above the Martian surface, NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, MRO spacecraft, has found the strongest evidence yet that under certain circumstances, liquid water has been found on Mars. Researchers say an imaging spectrometer on MRO detected signatures of hydrated minerals on slopes where downhill streaks, known as recurring slope linei, RSL, are seen. In the past, RSL flows have been described as possibly related to liquid water, but the new findings of hydrated minerals is key evidence. Hydrated salts can lower the freezing point of liquid brine and produce liquid water. Also, life beyond Earth. In the next decade, the Martian screening event, cargo ship departs space station. There's evidence that liquid water existed on Mars in the past and might still exist underground. Scientists have found ice caps at the poles and evidence of ancient river valleys, indicating that water once flowed on the Martian surface.
If you're interested in Create a Faceless Movie Recaps YouTube channel, without copyright automation channel, for beginners, click on the left. If you want to watch Faceless Gadgets review channel Amazon and ChatGPT, YouTube Automation AI, click on the right. Thank you for being part of this journey. Happy Learnify AI, goodbye.